Hello, and welcome to another training video brought to you by Victory CNC Plasma Systems. In this video, we are going to be discussing ProNest and ProNest LT CNC output settings, and specifically, how to change your CNC output files to match the axis and home orientation of your Victory CNC Plasma machine. Remember to ask your Victory representative about our consumables and preventive maintenance program, a program that offers up to 20% discount on your XPR or HPR consumables, supplies a free torch head for your XPR or HPR plasma once per year, and offers savings on our preventive maintenance services. If you have any questions after watching, please reach out to our technical support team at 877-683-6899 or go to www.victoryplasma.com. So let's get started. So in today's video, we want to talk about how we can orient our part to match the orientation of our machine axes. The complaint that we hear is that we load a part into Phoenix, we see that the long axis orientation of the part does not match the long orientation of our machine. So let me show you today how to fix that. So we're going to start in ProNest 2021, but the settings are the same for ProNest 2019 and ProNest LT. We need to start by activating our settings. We can do that in one of three different ways. We either go up here to the top left-hand corner and select Settings, go to the bottom right-hand corner, click and select Settings, or you can also do Control F11. So in our settings, we want to start at the top with the machine setting. And we want to make sure that machine home is set to upper left. The second one is importing parts. We want to make sure that our leads origin is set to upper left as well. The next setting we look at is in nesting, and we make sure that our nesting home is set same as machine home. Go into the submenu of nesting and go to Auto Nest. Ensure that automatically move leads is checked, and that the strategy is upper left. The next setting is in cut sequence. Make sure that your cut sequence home is in upper left. And the last thing we look at is CNC output. In the submenu for CNC output, we have output axes. And you want to make sure that the upper left is selected and that your axis orientation is X positive in the short axis and Y positive in the long axis. Of course, if you need to swap, if you have your Y and X are swapped, you can do a rotate axis 90 degrees. If your positive and negative are swapped, you can do a flip axis vertically or flip axis horizontally. Once those settings are changed, simply save your settings, click OK, and that's all there is to it. So now let's check to make sure that everything we made changes to is correct. We'll select notch rectangle. And you can see here we have a 36-inch high part by a 72-inch long part. We OK that. Return to nesting. Nest this part. Output it. And I'm just going to call it output. All right, so that's done. I go back over to my Phoenix demo software. I go to Files, and I'm going to select the file we just created called Output. Okay, and here you can see our start position is in the bottom left-hand corner with our home, and our long axis is oriented properly for our machine. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions after watching this, please remember to reach out to our technical support team at 877-683-6899 or go to www.victoryplasma.com.